I was attempting to do a fetch on the repository and it kept throwing the dialog box up and I wasn't sure why. So I came to the console and ran this command here, get fetch, and it came back with this whole thing. It's like, whoa, this is unusual. Now, in normal circumstances, you would think, okay, you should not be getting this message, and you would be correct. But in this particular case, there's some justification for this. Thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kenny, where I talk about software development, web development, and all kinds of things related to tech. So what happened here was that GitHub decided to change their RSA SSH host key used to secure Git operations for github.com. Meaning if you do a git fetch via the SSH method or git push via SSH or anything else via SSH, this will impact you. So what happened, it said that they found that the SSH private key was somehow exposed in a public GitHub repository. Based upon that, they decided to change the SSH key, basically regenerate a new SSH key and implement it. So some users noticed that the new key was briefly present around 0230 UTC during preparations for this change. Nonetheless, they do provide in this particular document on the github.blog the steps to make the necessary adjustments to get the new key and to remove the old key. For me, I'm going to, in addition to my local environment, which you see here, I'm also going to have to implement this in the production environments as well, because I have Git pulls that run as part of the deployment process for my production environments for the websites that I have. That being said, this process will take a moment to do, but once I get it done, it will be done. This is not something that should be done on a regular basis because of the fact, or should not have happened on a regular basis, but this is one of those extenuating circumstances. So this is what that message will look like if you ever get this. And this is not specific to GitHub. This is any SSH connection. If you ever see this, you may want to consider twice about connecting to the other server. That being said, though, the steps in this document should provide resolution to do this. However, I'm not going to do that on camera because of the fact I don't want to expose my SSH keys for both my local and my production environments via this video. So that part of it won't be included in here, but I will say you can check this article out that shows you how to run these particular commands and get yourself set back up if you have seen this message happen to you with your GitHub repositories. That being said, that will conclude this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments or questions about SSH keys and SSH authentication, drop that down below. I'll be glad to answer it. And we'll see you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and follow and subscribe.